Hi friends, my name's Kim and I've been teaching for about 20 years in a high school setting. I have taught biology, I have taught AP biology, I have taught chemistry, advanced chemistry, bioethics, a little bit of physics. I've been a little bit of everywhere. I teach in an urban district, and while we do serve students from that district, we also serve some suburban districts around us as well. So I have had a mix of students from different backgrounds. And while I do love teaching, because like I said, I've been teaching for a little over 20 years, my main passion is to mentor other teachers. I have mentored so many teachers over the years, and that's really what I have enjoyed, I think, the most in my career. And so I wanted to start these videos to see if I could reach out and help teachers beyond where I am. And my goal is to help you survive high school as a science teacher. I am usually going to be very casual in these videos. I dress up for work and I have to be a little more professional at work, and when I get home I just don't want to do that anymore. So you'll usually see me dressed down, no makeup, and that's just me. That's just me outside of work. I'm married and I have 2 sons, and you may hear them in the background, and that is just my life. My life has noise in it. You might hear my dog, and it is what it is. My goal is to help new teachers, or maybe not so new teachers, who are looking to make their life a little bit easier in the classroom. I hope to give you some advice, some concrete tips and tricks that you can use to make your classroom life a little bit easier. So if that's something you're interested in, come back soon to chat.